As one of the world's leading designers and manufacturers of systems and equipment for the poultry processing and convenience food industries, the main company also offers every possible complementary system and service. One of them is a wide range of chilling and freezing systems, developed for either packaged or unpackaged products. High-quality products that are of major importance in the food industry. Main always listens to their customers' needs and keeps on innovating and developing to create more possibilities to add extra value to your production. Main can offer machinery that fits your specific needs, like air chilling tunnels, screw chilling, spray chilling, and carton freezers. Main can also offer a wide range of individually quick frozen spiral freezers, specially designed to accommodate the technological processes of various individual products. The key to Main's success is the ongoing product development program, based on the day-to-day experience of its customers. That's why the Main company is known as the innovator of the food processing industry.